Showing off South Loop, the Paragon soars 47 stories with its iconic architectural design on the distinguished South Michigan Avenue. We're on the 28th floor, super sunny southwest corner with views of Guaranteed Rate Field, a slice of the lake, and a slice of Willis Tower. You'll see that going up just a few more floors, you'll clear the neighboring building and get incredible sunset views facing west. Thoughtful, eccentric layouts with floor-to-ceiling windows, open concept kitchens, built-out closets, and spacious bedrooms are just a few things you will love living at the Paragon. Gas ranges, dishwashers, laundry in unit, and views for days. This place has it all. You will be shocked by these northern South Loop skyline views from this 768 square foot, one bed model on the 33rd floor. You probably haven't seen a kitchen design quite like this in a while. They offer great storage with extra wide cabinets and drawers to easily fit all of your stuff. The fun mosaic tile backsplash is a signature touch to these South Loop luxury apartments. This bathroom is designed perfect for a couple living together, with your own set of drawers on either side of the sink and a nice big vanity and mirror to share. The studios here start at 533 square feet, and this one, closer to 700, offers windows galore. Floor to ceiling, we are on the 19th floor facing south with stunning city views. Every apartment is outfitted with the IOTIS smart home technology, like your Nest thermostat that learns your living habits to maximize energy efficiency. My favorite floor plans are these ones where you can really see the special architectural design of the building from within your home. Look at these gorgeous diamond-shaped windows that you just don't get anywhere else. With 500 luxury apartments, from studios and convertibles to 1, 2, and even 3-bedroom penthouses, anyone will enjoy life at the Paragon. You'll notice that even though there's a building right here facing north on the 9th floor, you still get incredible views to the east and west, so no matter what floor you're on, you can't lose. The foyer in this one bed makes it feel a bit more homey, where you don't walk right into the kitchen. There's actually space for a bench where you can kick off your shoes or boots. And the island offers great space for at least 2 to 3 bar chairs. With more generous walk-through built-out closet space and a Jack and Jill style bathroom, offers for a nice open flow or privacy to close off your bedroom when hosting guests. You are rising with the sun here on the 38th floor, facing directly east in this 731 square foot one bedroom with floor to ceiling windows and unobstructed lake views and views of Soldier Field, the Shed Aquarium, and the planetarium. Some might prefer this sizable open studio at 640 square feet that can be easily made into a convertible with a room divider or a bookshelf to slightly hide the bed while getting great views from both the bedroom and living room area here on the 11th floor facing north. Their endless 5-star amenities and picture-perfect rooftop are flawlessly matched with the quintessential management staff and maintenance team that keeps the building comfortable and friendly with ongoing resident events throughout every month. Do you know what famous Showtime show was filmed here on the top floor? Tell me in your comments below. South Loop is beyond convenient and has way more restaurants and hidden gems than you may think. The Paragon is at the heart of it all. Victory Tap is a neighborhood spot with outdoor seating, classical Italian dishes, and quite the wine list. Your favorite part about living here might be the convenient access to the lakefront and lakefront trail for all the best Chicago scenery while enjoying the outdoors and appreciating the beauty of this incredible city. This prime location gives you immediate access to Lake Michigan and the lakefront trail, as well as all the festivities going on at Soldier Field. You can even go to Field Museum, Planetarium, or Shed Aquarium on your day off, when it's all right here in your front yard. Keep following Live Shy TV on YouTube and Instagram. My team can show you this property and many others in Chicago. Get in touch with us however you prefer. If you're looking for luxury in Chicago, you've come to the right place. We find you the best apartments in the city, so you don't have to. Subscribe to our channel and see what it's really like to live in the Windy City's top properties.